Hi, my name is Harshita, and these are my Balle Bolly shorts. I can tell you, like, first of all, the Instagram gave us the username anything, it suits them. So then my username is Harshita Thakur _00. But I want to highlight something. My surname is like a royal blood Thakur. So that's why I wrote my name like H Thakur _00. I too wrote my name in my profile, Harshita, but people used to know me by the name of H Thakur. Like, for highlighting my surname, I did this. So it would be funny, aesthetic, and like a relatable content I put. Between a nice question, and it would be a series title. So I'm gonna give it the Lux Brew Life. Like, I'm a coffee type of person and I love my family so much. So it will contain this all, like the Lux Brew Life. It will be a luxury too, and I'm a coffee lover, so. First of all, there is so many coffee spots I love because wherever I go, I also order coffee. But one of you gonna ask me, so it's always Starbucks. That is lasagna. I think everyone has to try this. Like what to eat and where to eat. First of all, I like mainly street food, but I avoid because I have to go gym and all, and I have to manage all the things. So where to eat is the main thing. Like the cafe where I like the aesthetics, where this is the cozy vibes. So where I want to be like featured out in my content. So I think I first of all I check the highlights, the menu, what's the different in it. Like it was Italian or it was Indian. So it would be paneer because I can eat pizza a lot. I love it because I have it yesterday also. But the paneer is like I have to manage all the things. The paneer is, I think, so it is in like gym diet too, and it can't be in pizza, can't be in gym diet. So I would prefer paneer. One of my memorable story is like I'm a Pahadan, so I like Pahad and beach too. But when first trip is of my with my strangers trip, but when I came back, I got their heart part because जब मैं उनके साथ गई तो बिल्कुल मतलब वो मेरे लिए स्ट्रेंजर थे, बट जब मैं वहाँ से आ रही थी वो एक फैमिली की तरह था. एंड मेरा सबसे मेमोरेबल चीज़ ये रही है कि जब भी मैं किसी से मिलती हूँ दे ऑलवेज वो मुझे हमेशा याद रखते हैं, क्योंकि या तो मैं हूँ ही ऐसी सी चार्मिंग बबली. और मैं उनके साथ उस पर गई थी ट्रैकिंग पे, तो ट्रैकिंग करना, बॉनफायर, डीजे, एंड सुबह उठते ही सनसेट, सुबह उठते ही सनराइज देखना, सनसेट देखना. इट वॉज सो ऑल अमेजिंग. So that was my memorable part, to have a track. First of all, I love traveling so much, and if I have to start from somewhere, I'm going to prefer Dubai because it gives us a luxurious vibe, and there is a Instagrammable content, so we can take a lot of content from there, like Dubai, Bali, and many more countries. The people don't know about that. Like people know about Switzerland, but people don't know how to explore Switzerland. So I want to go Switzerland too, to make a good content because they have the good landscapes there. For the shoot, I have to be in a good dressing sense. So मैं अपने कपड़ों की तरफ ज़्यादा ध्यान देती हूँ कि यार मेरे को ये चीज़ चाहिए, ये मेरे इस टाइम पहनना है, ये दिन में पहनना है, रात को पहनना है. सो मेरे कपड़े मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे को मेरे शूज़ के लिए पैक करने पड़ते हैं. सो द फन एंड quirky इज़ लाइक आई एम अ फूड ब्लॉगर टू. सो जब भी मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाती हूँ या अपने कजन्स के साथ जाती हूँ, wherever I have to go in the cafe for the shoot or wherever, so they are be like, प्लीज़ यार जल्दी जल्दी कर, हमें जल्दी जल्दी, हमें फूड ठंडा हो रहा है, जल्दी इनकी वीडियो बना, जल्दी कर. सो मेरे साथ ऐसा बहुत बार होता है. और सारे फ्रेंड्स बैठे होते हैं, सबको फ़ोटोज़ खींचनी होती हैं. सो वन ऑफ देम लाइक पहले मेरी खींच, पहले मेरी. सो इट वुड बी, और उस कंटेंट के पीछे कोई कुछ नहीं जानता है कि कैसा चल रहा होता है सब कुछ. I create first of all voice memos and send it to myself on WhatsApp to have a remind कि मुझे क्या करना है और कैसे आगे proceed करना है. So that is. Notes में लिखना पड़ता है मुझे अपना content कि हाँ ऐसे ही. And when I have to give a voice over reel, oh my god, first of all I have to take the script, like लिखो पहले and then have a look. That is like I have I'm a good as a modeling. So people find out like I can make a good aesthetic content for their page. So I can act as a model for them. So they are finding out like I put wholesome reels of everything. So maybe that's the main thing. If anyone wants to start as a travel creator of a lifestyle, so they would be aware of everything. Like if you are traveling, so it would be so much hard to travel alone. First of all, जब मैंने travel करना शुरू करा था तो मुझे भी बहुत डर लगता कि how can I travel alone, how can I do this, how can I do this. But when your family is going to push you ना कि you can do that, if you can make a good content, so आपको उसकी तरफ बिल्कुल ऐसा रहना पड़ेगा कि आपको सिर्फ वो कंटेंट की तरफ ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. आपको बिल्कुल साइट सीइंग अपनी उसी तरफ रखनी पड़ेगी कि येस ऐसे ऐसे हो सकता है. दिमाग चलाना पड़ेगा कि हाउ यू मेक अ गुड कंटेंट टू पीपल टू यू रीच यू आउट. Yeah, I connect with them through my comments, not through DMs, because if I got connected with through their DMs, they are going to send me messages day and day. But for sure, I reply all of them in the comment section. Yeah, I got so many, but from my friends who push me a lot, and there is something you can say influencer friends, you can say college friends, like they used to tell me, Harshita, this is not a good content, please delete it or make it good, or they push me harder everywhere कि no matter what is going to be up to you, हम तेरे साथ हैं बस. So that is कि मेरे friends, मेरी family, कुछ influencer दोस्त वो बहुत अच्छे हैं, वो मुझे हर चीज़ में push करते हैं. If I talked about my post, I pinged it on my IG page. You can check it out. They always like my aesthetic pictures. First of all, I used to connect with everyone. And I talked a lot. I'm bubbly and charming. So I think कि मेरे को सबसे बात करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है एक्चुअली. लोगों के बारे में जानना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो मैं उनके साथ अपनी कम्युनिटी बिल्डअप करने में ऐसा है कि मैं सबके साथ अच्छे से बात करती हूँ. जो जैसा है वो वैसा ही रहे, कोई किसी अपने आप को बदल नहीं सकता है. बट मेरा ऐसा रहता है कि उसके ऊपर भी कुछ शायद रही होगी बात, तो इसलिए अच्छा नहीं है. बट मुझे अपनी कम्युनिटी बिल्डअप करने में ऐसा है कि मैं सबसे बहुत अच्छी तरह बात करती हूँ. Outfit of the day always. That would be a black elegant dress. Almost I prefer shopping in the store because whenever I do online shopping, I don't know anything about that and मैं हमेशा फंस जाती हूँ. So my favorite brands you can say is H&M, Zara, and mainly that is मशहूर in the Chandigarh Sector 15 market, obviously. Yes, I have so many. अब जैसे मुझे यहाँ भी आना था तो मैं सारा वो बिखार के आ गई हूँ. मुझे कुछ नहीं पता है कि मैंने किसका कपड़ा कहाँ रखा है. एंड हाँ, मेरी वार्डरोब ऐसे रहती है कि लाइक अगर जैसे अभी समर्स गई हैं और विंटर्स आने वाली हैं, सो मैं समर्स के कपड़े बिल्कुल ही मतलब नीचे रख दूँगी कि मुझे उनकी ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. एंड कॉलेज फिट्स अलग हैं, मेरी फैशन फिट्स अलग हैं, मुझे कहीं जाना है मेरी ड्रेसेस अलग हैं. सो आई डू दिस. Obviously that would be black or maybe red. I like both these colors. Obviously heels, because when you wear heels, it gives you a vibe to be a confident. First of all, my watch, then rings, and the accessories. Now I can say there is a fashion style trend going on. That would be a belt. Thank you so much for having me. Bye bye, Billy Bolly.